China, Guangxi Province, enormous rivers crisscross this impressive mountainous region in southwest China. Few people live in this untamed region. At least one thing, however, is present in abundance: water power. It is harnessed to supply the densely populated coastal regions of South China with electricity. One example is found at Chieshenchao. An HVDC long-distance transmission system transmits 1800 MVA of electrical power from the hydro power plant in southwest China to the load center in Guangzhou, a distance of almost 1,000 kilometers. In the summer of 2004, one of the Chieshenchao converter transformers had to be taken offline due to a defect in the winding. The customer insisted on the fastest possible repair schedule, so the transformer would be fully operational before the following summer's peak season. The whole project had to be finished within 8 months, a daunting logistics challenge. The solution was an unusual one. Exchange of the entire winding block is performed locally, with a new winding block manufactured in Nuremberg and shipped to China. A basic condition for such repairs is extreme cleanliness. An unusual idea is also agreed on for this requirement as well. A special building ensures clean assembly conditions. A motorized roof makes it possible to handle heavy loads from outside the facility using a crane. The entire logistics process and local work are organized by Siemens. Each day begins with a team meeting focused on project status. Assembly steps are coordinated in small teams. The repair work begins with the disassembly of the conservator tank, cooling plant and bushings. Next, the remaining oil is drained off. This all takes place in under 2 weeks. The transformer is then prepared for transport into the assembly facility. A personnel airlock guarantees the high standards of cleanliness necessary for successful repairs. Inside the building, the external pipework on the transformer is disassembled. The roof of the building is then opened to lift off the tank cover. The upper yoke is thus made accessible and removed a step at a time. At the same time, all leads to the defective winding block are disconnected. Altogether, materials preparation and subsequent manufacturing of the new winding block takes 3 months. With another 7 weeks needed for shipment and customs clearance, only 3.5 months remain for installation and completion. Logistics operations not only involve transporting the winding block, but also timely supply of all tools and repair machinery and consumable parts. A special device ensures the winding block can be safely fixed to the crane hook. The moment of truth for the repair has come. The old winding block with the defective coil inside is taken out of the transformer. The new coil, supplied from Germany, is installed. The heavy loads involved here mean the roof has to be opened, something which can only be done in good weather. Weighing in at nearly 30 tons, the new winding block is a perfect fit, meeting a very narrow tolerance. After this, all taps of the step winding are connected and insulation is re-established. A view of the tap changer from underneath. All connections have been re-established. The next work step of restacking the upper yoke requires great care. The metal sheets have to be stacked one layer at a time. This work procedure alone takes 10 days. Another special process, drying of the active part utilizing the oil spray method. Because no furnace is available locally, oil spraying takes the place of conventional factory active part treatment. The tank cover has to be modified to allow oil to be sprayed into the transformer at a high temperature. The lines and nozzles are designed so that they can be easily removed after the drying process is finished. The entire preparation process takes about 3 weeks. Assembly of the bushings, conservator and cooling plant takes place outside. After completion of the oil filling process, final testing is carried out. Testing is carried out by a Chinese testing institute under the direction of Siemens. After less than 4 months of on-site work, at the beginning of June, the transformer was ready to go online, just in time for the start of the peak summer season.